Do you enjoy watching videos? Do you spend hours and hours watching videos on YouTube unnoticed? How would you feel if I tell you that you can earn money just by watching videos? All you need to do is watch a YouTube video for 30 to 60 seconds and you can earn money. Sounds good? Then you should tune in. We will show you 5 websites that pay you for watching YouTube videos. Now imagine one website paying you $24 an hour watching YouTube videos. Now imagine 5 websites paying you the same amount for watching YouTube videos. For just 1 hour every day, you can earn $120. And if you do this for a week, you can earn up to $840. Now that's a lot of money. These websites that we will be showing you are 100% free. You do not need to pay a small amount just to enter the website. You can just type the website name on your browser and you are good to go. You do not need skills or prior experience to start earning on these websites. All you need is your phone or computer and you are ready. And most of all, these websites are available worldwide. No restrictions and limits are set to use these websites. You can start easily. Watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process of how you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So in today's video, we will be showing you 5 websites that you can use to earn money by watching videos. Just watch this video to learn more about these websites and follow the step-by-step guide that we will show you for each website so that you won't miss any opportunity to earn money online. The first website that we will be showing you is called YouTubes. YouTubes is a website where you can earn cash online just by viewing websites, completing surveys, and watching videos. As of this moment, YouTubes has over 700,000 members and has given over 20,000 payments worldwide. So to start earning on this website, we need to create an account. Please note that for the following websites, an account is needed to start earning. So we will show you step by step on how to create an account for each website. So to sign up, just click on the big sign up button and now you can sign up. You just need to put in your email address, password, full name, username, gender, date of birth, and the country that you live in. If you look at these options for selecting a country, we can see that all countries are available to choose from. This means that this website is free to use by everyone regardless of where they are. Now after you have finished putting in the necessary information, you can just read the terms and conditions and now you can register. After you register, you can now start watching videos and earn money. Now we will show you tips and tricks on how you can watch videos on this website efficiently and without taking too much time. You can also apply these tips and tricks to other websites we will be showing you later on, so watch carefully. On this website, you are paid based on the length of the video. 30-second videos have lower pay and 60-second videos pay higher. What you want to do here is to watch 60-second videos as much as possible. This will maximize your earnings. Now, the first tip that we will give you while watching videos is that you can turn down the volume or just mute the video. This way, you can just play the video in the background and you can do your own thing. This is a super simple but effective tip to earn more money. You can open 5 videos, mute them, and just let them play. This will help you in maximizing your earning and your time, so you can earn money on all 5 websites in approximately 1 hour. Another tip that we will give you is to use your phone and computer all at the same time. This will help you speed up your earnings using multiple devices in watching videos. And the last tip that we will give you will make you watch YouTube videos faster. All you have to do is go to the settings of the YouTube video right here. Then you should see an option called Playback Speed. Now just click on this and you can set the speed to ×2. It will only take you 15 seconds to watch it. It will save you so much time and it can help you earn money faster. Another thing that you can do is change the quality of the video to the lowest. To do this, we should go to the setting again and you can see a quality option here. Now just change this to the lowest, which is 144, and your video will play so much faster and smoother. This is also perfect for people who do not have a fast internet connection, and it can save you so much data. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now the second website we will show you is BoxInside. BoxInside is a website that pays you every 10 seconds. So you just need to watch a 10-second video and you can earn money instantly. You can also cash out instantly once you reach the minimum amount of $2. They have over 1,000 registered users, and these are the payment methods available on their website. On this website, you can also see the latest 250 payments that they have made to registered users. In this section, you can see the world map and how many registered users are in each country. You can see that registered users on this website are worldwide. If we scroll down to this section, we can see the list of users who have withdrawn their earnings on this website. We can see their username, their country, the amount that they have withdrawn, and their preferred payment method. You can also see the total amount of money that they have earned just by watching YouTube videos on this website. Now to sign up on this website and start earning, you just need to click the register button right here and fill up this form. You only need to put in your username and your email address, the currency that you wish to receive, your payment method, and your birth date. Now you just need to answer these verification tests so that they will know that you are not a robot, and just click this button to agree to the terms of service, and now you can register. The third website that we will show you is called FusionCache. In FusionCache, when you first sign up for an account, you can earn $5 immediately. It is because they have a $5 sign-up bonus for new users. So to do this, you just click on Get $5, and now you can create an account. All you have to do is just put in your username, email address, password, and your zip code, and you're good to go. Once you have an account, you can now watch videos, do some tasks, and download and use some mobile apps, play some games, and refer friends on this website and earn money. The fourth website we will be showing you is Irazu. Irazu is a legit website where you can earn money just by doing tasks. These tasks include downloading and testing some apps, watching videos, and answering surveys, and many more. Irazu works by doing different tasks that we just mentioned earlier. Then you can earn points depending on the task, and you can then convert those points into cash rewards. You can get paid here for watching videos online, so start doing that. All we need to do is just click on the Get Started button right here and click on Sign Up. Now you just need to fill up all the information, and now you have an account. After logging in, you can start earning points just by doing simple things. When you complete your profile, you will get 100 points, and when you verify your email, you can get 50 points. And if you look at the reward store, these are the cash rewards that you can earn just by completing tasks here. You can earn a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $50 in PayPal just by watching videos. Now the last website that we will be showing you is Appnana.com. Appnana is an app on your phone where you can get paid while watching videos. All you need is an Android or iPhone and you can get started. If you are using an Android phone, you can search on Google Play Store Appnana and this icon should come up. Just download this and you can start earning. Now you can earn tons of cash rewards like gift or PayPal money just by watching videos. As of this moment, 500,000 people have downloaded and used this app to start earning. And those are the websites that you can use to earn money just by watching videos. Make sure you follow our step-by-step process on how you can earn money on each website so you can start immediately. So what are you waiting for? Start now and earn lots and lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.